Hey guys, it's me, Noah. I am, playing yet again, nothing. I am currently giving you guys something you didn't know about me. I'm not a crook. Just like to point that out. Master Lock. Master Lock? The camera is magically moving by itself. I am by myself. No one is with me. Caleb is gone. Because he's mean. So mean.
So mean.
So I have my tension wrench in my lockpick right here. And watch how fast I can do it. My dad set a timer for 1 second and I got like 56 milliseconds. No, it is not a trick. Oh, whoops. Yeah, sometimes it jams like this. What you're gonna wanna do is get the key if you're not lockpicking someone's house. I'm kidding. No one would do that. No one would do that. I want to do this because one of my extra job careers might be a locksmith, so it's just a hobby. And so you want to lockpick it, and it comes out of that jam spot. So I snapped it back into place. You can hear it. I can wiggle it and swing it around and all that fun stuff. So I put it back in, and watch how quickly I can do it. So what you're going to want to do is push tension on the bottom of the wrench, like so. You're going to want to get your tension lockpick. You're going to want to put it in at the top. Again, keep putting tension on the bottom. And now you're going to want to feel the pins. And then, voila! It's open. Then you have it. You're saying, well, if that 14-year-old can pick a lockpick that quick, how's my stuff safe? Well, in theory, it isn't, because there are people out there better than me that can pick it even faster, but I would recommend this lock. This lock is the, this is the NO3 Master Tough Under Fire lock, and not a sponsor. Not a sponsor, I swear. Basically, what this does, there's a little crease right there. My tension wrench falls down, so it makes it harder for lock pickers like myself. And you want to do this, and then you want to just feel the pins. And I have not been able to get this. I don't know if my lock is broken or jammed or something, but I haven't gotten this. I've only opened this lock maybe once or twice. So this is a really good lock you can get at your nearest Lowe's. That's where I got it. I looked inside like this. If you're having really hard problems, you can do this. But I really, watch me get it on camera. I really can't get this one. No, my other lock is not broken. I mean, it might be, but I have tried lock picking other stuff like training locks and such. But I do not have my other training lock because I broke it. I was using a training lock and the top just popped off of it. I was in the car with my mom, just lock picking like so, and then this top just popped off with the spring inside, and it just flew all over in the spring. The spring just went under my car seat somewhere. So I don't know what to do or if it can be repaired. I got my